Hello, my amazing students. Today, I want to tell you something that can change your life. Please listen carefully. English is not difficult. English is not impossible. You can speak English fluently, and you can do it faster than you think. I know many of you feel nervous when you speak. Sometimes you don't even try because you're afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you've been learning English for years. You understand when you read or listen, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. You freeze. You forget. You feel stuck. I understand. I felt the same way when learning a new language. You know what you want to say, but the words don't come out. It's frustrating. But today, I have good news for you. You don't have to struggle anymore. From today, I will teach you how to learn English in the easiest and most natural way. Step 1, change your mindset. Stop saying English is hard. Say this instead: English is easy. I can speak English. I am getting better every day. Your brain listens to your thoughts. If you believe English is easy, your brain will help you learn faster. Remember this: mistakes are good. If you're making mistakes, it means you're learning. Just like a baby learns to walk by falling, you will learn to speak by trying. Step 2, surround yourself with English. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You can create your own English world wherever you are. Here's how: change your phone language to English. Watch YouTube videos or movies in English. Listen to English music or podcasts every day. Read short English stories or articles. The more you hear English, the more your brain gets used to it. Step 3, think in English. Stop translating from your native language. Start thinking in English. Begin with simple sentences. I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking. The sun is shining. The more you do this, the easier it gets. Soon, English will come to you automatically. Step 4, talk to yourself in English. Yes, really, talk to yourself every day. Look in the mirror and have a short conversation. Hi, how are you today? I'm feeling great. I have work to do, but I'm excited. It's okay if it feels strange at first. This practice helps you speak without fear. No one is judging you. Just talk. Step 5, use what you know. Don't wait to be perfect. Use the words you already know. Simple English is powerful. Instead of thinking, I don't know enough, say, I will use what I know now. Speak in short sentences. That's okay. You will grow step by step. Step 6, be consistent. Practice every day, even for just 10 minutes. Small steps every day are better than long study once a week. Use English when you're walking, you're cooking, you're thinking. Just speak, just try. Final message: you can do this. You will speak English fluently. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice and believe in yourself. Say this with me: English is easy. I am learning every day. I can do it. Let's take this journey together. I'm here to help you every step of the way.